Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in and welcome back to Effective Exercise. Stephen here with Team Euphoric, and today we're going to be talking about strength versus load.
Have you ever wondered if the weight of your workout load impacts your strength and muscle growth? Well, you're not alone. It's a question that has intrigued fitness enthusiasts and researchers alike. Enter the realm of low load versus high load resistance training. Traditionally, it's been believed that to maximize muscle adaptations, one must lift heavier loads. This idea stems from the assumption that more weight equals more muscle. But is this traditional belief accurate? Let's turn to science for the answer. Diving into the world of physiology, let's understand how our muscles respond to different load intensities. Imagine your muscles as a team of workers. When you exercise, you're basically giving them a task. The weight you lift is like the workload. The question is, does it matter how heavy this load is? The researchers behind the study we're discussing, led by Schoenfeld et al. In 2017, sought to answer this question. They took a systematic approach, combing through multiple studies and performing a meta-analysis to gather a big picture view. Here's what they found. When it comes to 1 repetition max strength, or 1RM, the ability to lift the maximum possible weight for 1 complete repetition of an exercise, heavier loads made a significant difference. In other words, if you want to increase your 1RM strength, lifting heavier weights is the way to go. But what about isometric strength, the power you need to hold a position or resist against an object? The study found no significant differences here. Whether you're lifting heavy or light, your isometric strength can increase. And here's the kicker. Muscle hypertrophy, the process that makes your muscles grow larger, was similar for both high and low load conditions. That's right. Whether you're bench pressing 200 pounds or 20, your muscles can still bulk up. So, it appears our muscles may not be as picky about the weight of our workout load as we initially thought. So what does this all mean for those of us hitting the gym or working out at home? Well, remember the study we've been talking about? It looked at 21 trials comparing low load and high load resistance training. The findings were pretty interesting.
Sorry, but I have to interrupt this video to ask for your help. These new videos aren't cheap to edit, so if you're liking the new style, then consider becoming a member by clicking on the join button down below this video. It's only $5 per month and will really help with the video editing budget. Plus, you'll get a ton of other perks like ad-free videos, early access to videos, and complete access to hundreds of member-only videos. Now, back to your regularly scheduled programming.
If you're aiming for gains in 1 repetition maximum strength, high-load training might be your best bet. But here's the twist. When it comes to muscle hypertrophy, the amount of weight you lift might not be as crucial as we once thought. This study challenges the long-held belief that you have to lift heavy to make those muscles grow. Instead, it showed that muscle hypertrophy can be achieved across a wide spectrum of loading ranges. In simple terms, whether you're lifting lighter weights for more repetitions or heavier weights for fewer repetitions, your muscles are still growing. This is a game changer, folks. It means you can tailor your workout to your personal preferences and still achieve your muscle growth goals. Whether you're lifting light or heavy, it's clear that your muscles are benefiting. So keep lifting, keep growing, and keep challenging yourself. After all, science has your back, and your biceps, and your triceps, and your quads.
Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. Be sure to like, share, and leave a comment as it'll help the algorithm. And if you enjoyed the content, show your support by subscribing to the channel by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. And if you really want to show your support, then consider becoming a member by clicking on the icon in the bottom left corner. These new high-quality videos aren't cheap to edit, and the $5 membership will really help with the video editing budget. You'll also get access to a ton of exclusive perks like early access to videos and this program design lecture playlist in the top right-hand corner. And if you want to learn how to do a one-armed pull-up, then check out the playlist on the top left corner.